Two insurance heavyweights, State Farm and USAA. One burning question: who truly has your back? On the left, State Farm, America's top insurer with a legacy of reliability. On the right, USAA, serving military members and families with specialized care. Let's drop the slogans and marketing fluff. Time to see what really matters. We'll put them head-to-head in several key categories with points awarded in each, so you can see exactly which insurer takes the crown. The final verdict might just surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're gonna look at pricing and discounts first, then move into customer satisfaction, see what they actually cover, check out their digital tools, and finally, who can actually sign up for these with availability and eligibility. Ready? Let's dive in. Kicking things off with pricing and discounts. State Farm, they have a ton of discounts and bundling options, which is honestly great if you like stacking savings, but here's the thing, their base rates are sometimes a bit high compared to some others. Now USAA, and here's where it gets interesting. Their discounts for military folks and families are almost unbeatable. Plus, if you're a safe driver, the savings just keep adding up. And it's a big but, you gotta actually be eligible, so if you're not military related, you're basically out of luck. Still, for savings potential, USAA takes the win here. Moving on to customer satisfaction. State Farm is kinda the classic choice, agents everywhere and a trustworthy vibe, but honestly your experience may depend on the local agent. Some are amazing, some not so much. Now USAA, these guys get almost cult-level ratings in customer surveys. If you read up on claims response times and general service, it's just praise after praise, though yep, you'll only experience that if you're eligible. So bottom line for this one, USAA wins again. Coverage options is where State Farm shines. It's seriously wild how many types of insurance and custom options you can get: auto, home, renters, even some niche stuff. Sometimes you gotta pay a bit extra for the special add-ons, but their range is massive. With USAA, it's really solid for core stuff like auto and home, and those policies are really good, just not quite as wide if you're looking for, I don't know, business insurance or more specialized things. So if you want the most choices, State Farm is the winner this round. Oh, quick fun fact. Did you know USAA started in 1922 because 25 Army officers literally couldn't get car insurance anywhere else? How wild is that? Let's talk digital tools. State Farm has a robust mobile app, online quoting, claims, all that stuff. It gets the job done, but if I'm being real, sometimes the app feels a little like it's stuck in 2017. USAA though, their app is slick, modern, and claims are almost too easy. They also have some cool online tools, but remember, if you can't actually get USAA, these features don't mean much to you. Both are strong here, so honestly this one's a tie. Finally, availability and eligibility. This is where the whole game flips. State Farm, pretty much anyone in the US can get their insurance, and they've got agents in so many cities it's almost ridiculous. USAA is world-class if you're eligible, and they even support deployed military globally, which is awesome, but seriously, eligibility is super strict. So for most people, State Farm takes this category all day. So looking at how these stack up visually, it's clear. USAA just fires ahead in pricing and service, but State Farm is your main pick if you want a broad menu and you're not in the military. So wrapping it all up, if you're military or family, it is almost impossible to beat USAA, just incredible service and value. For everyone else, State Farm is a safe, solid choice, especially with how many types of coverage and real local agents they've got. If you found this helpful, drop a sub or stick around for the next breakdown. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.